Knife heads. Hi guys. How are you guys today? Whoa. You see the ninja skills? Cobwebs coming down in my face. I had to shut that down. You know what I mean? Come on. Alright guys. Today it's Wednesday. You know what that means? So, look, the sun's hit me when I said that. It is Wednesday. Pocket dump day. Truth be told, guys, I haven't been getting any new knives or nothing like that. I'm just pretty much just showing you guys the ones that I carry. I still got a ton that you guys ain't seen yet, but I just ain't had the time to get them out and all that. So I've been grabbing from my section that I carry, and I'm showing you guys. Maybe Saturday or Sunday, one of the two, I'll get something new out. But for now, it's Pocket Dump Wednesday. First up, it's in this nice leather slip made by J.O. Ventures. He even put this lanyard bead on there. He done this up. You can see it's got some wear time. It's got scratches all over it. Let's get the knife out if I can. This is my personal custom. I burnt the bone. This is Caribbean blue, and I burnt the bone on it. I think it's a 21. Yeah, 2021. Caribbean blue. You can see I got tape resin on it. It's a carrier. Got the spade blade, 6254. Both blades straight down Broadway, the way Big E likes it. No gaps, gap free. Brass pins, brass liners, the usual. And that's riding in the J.O. Venture slip. Let's see what else I got. I got my work carry, the one that I've been doing all the work with. Cobra Tech D2 blades. If you guys want to see this knife doing a little something, it's over on the shorts. It's where I open something in 15 seconds. I'm going kindly light today. I got one more. I don't think I've done a... Yeah, never mind, I did. I did a comparison video on this one. One time, I only showed it one time, I think. It is the Coat Cutter by GEC. It's got the micarta handles, blue micarta. Straight down Broadway. Brass pins, brass liners. This knife's got half stops. It's got a spade blade. It's 394124 GEC carbon. It says coat cutter on the blade. This is a nice little piece right here. It's got great half stop. It's got great walk and talk. This is, I know you guys might think I'm crazy. I've got someone making me a slip for it. He actually made it. It might be on its way, but I don't think I'm gonna put it in it because it's Micorda and I just been throwing it in my pocket. But I got a new one, something like this. Not this knife, but something like it coming in the mail, and it's the same color as the slip that I got coming, and I won't put it in it. I'll let you guys see both of them when they both get here. They both should come around the same time. I think one got shipped out a day before the other, but I just can't wait. I haven't purchased nothing in a long time, and I seen this. I just had to get it. I got off topic, but this is the GEC coat cutter. Thank y'all. Y'all stay classy. You hear?